In this video, I want to show you the main features of the Pastures from Space application. Once you've logged in, you will see a screen that looks similar to this. This is viewing our demonstration property for the period 13 January to 19 January 2016. On the left-hand side of the screen is what we call the paddock report. It's a list of all the paddocks with name in the left-hand column showing the PGRs, the FOOs, the change in FOO, and an icon allowing you to click on to go and see charts for that particular paddock. See the video about charting to find out more about that, as well as the click to calculate, which is the stocking rate calculator. Also see the separate video on that. You can scroll up and down by using the scroll bar, or you can use the mouse wheel on your computer to navigate up and down. In the map section, we have a paddock outlines overlaid on top of a aerial photography and showing the colored up FOO images. And this is shown by the light green in the box on the right hand side. We can see the PGR values for this week, as well as the NDVI values. The different colors are represented in the legend down in the bottom left-hand corner of the map, in this case the NDVI. As you may have noticed, as we move our mouse over the map, we can see information about that paddock in the info box down in the bottom right-hand corner where it says the paddock name, its area, PGR, FOO, and NDVI values. As well as you move the mouse over a particular paddock, it is highlighted in light green in the paddock report on the left-hand side. You can also select a paddock by clicking on it in the paddock report, and you can see it is highlighted in the map with a white boundary. Back on the map side, on the right-hand side, we've got the View High Resolution Imagery. This allows us to view the high-res imagery for this farm. See the separate video about that. As well as we've said beforehand, you can change the individual values for the individual paddocks to be displayed. Zooming in and zooming out, the map is simple. It uses the standard sort of Google Maps controls. You can use the plus and the minus to zoom in, or you can use the scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom in as well. The four-arrowed icon basically means a fit-all option, and it fits your property to the window with best fit. So if we try to zoom out, you can see where your property fits in with the remaining countryside, and you can click back on that option and it will bring you back in. Along the top, we have the main menu, which allows you to drop down and you can allow to manage your farms, change your accounts, turn various information on, contact us, or log out. It is very simple to use. See the separate video on managing farms, adding and deleting additional properties to your account. To get rid of this window, just click somewhere else. That is pretty much it. It's simple, it's easy, it's intuitive, and it's powerful. Thank you very much.